Hello Fierce Glam fam, my name is Christina Sanders, aka Fierce Glam Mom, and today I'm going to show you guys what I got in my November Boxycharm. The theme for this month was harvest, so everything is a boxy harvest, woohoo, that's super cute. So I like to go in order and I'll show you guys what I got. So the first thing that I got was this Natasha Denona palette. This palette retails for $48 and this is what the colors look like in this palette. Super beautiful. I have done a few looks on this palette already, so if you would like to see a few of the looks that I've created so far, you can check my Instagram, Fierce Glam Mom. I'll put that right here. The next thing I got for this month, I have not tried yet, but this is the Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner, and the retail of this is $40. So I'm really excited to actually try this out. I do use toner. A lot of other things I kind of forget, like serums and my moisturizers. I usually forget, but I do use toner, and then I use moisturizer when I remember. I will have to come back and let you guys know how it works out for me. Next for this month was my choice item, and I have absolutely been loving this since I got it. I have been using it I like every single day, I do believe. Is amazing. This is the Jouer Cosmetics Lip Enhancer, and this retails for $17. It's really hydrating and it's not like sticky, and I like to put this on just to kind of like heal my lips throughout the day. So I really have been enjoying this, and I'm really glad that I picked this. The other item that I was trying to torn in between was this or the Kush mascara, the Milk Kush mascara, but I have a lot of mascaras, so I'm really glad that I picked this, especially since we're getting into the colder weather. So this was the third thing that I got in my box this month. The next item that I got for this month, I was super impressed by, and I hadn't seen any sneak peeks or anything about this, so I was super impressed with the packaging for one. Super cute. This is the Half-Caked Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. This set came with 3 liquid lipsticks, and the packaging is super cute, and I was really impressed with these colors. I thought it was a good range of colors, and this is what they look like. These are lip fondant liquid lipsticks, so I'm super excited. They dry completely matte, and I have not tried these out yet, but I am really excited to try these out. So the colors that we have are Theme Song, which is that top one right here. The middle one is Low Key, and then the bottom one is 82 Bordeaux. Beautiful. Let me know which one you guys think is the prettiest color, and maybe I can do a look based off of that, like that lipstick, and then build a look off of that and show you guys. That would be kind of cool. So definitely let me know which color you guys thought was the most beautiful. So that was the fourth thing that I got in my Boxycharm this month. And the last thing that I got, I was pretty excited to get, because I am always love trying new things, especially really great primers. So this is the Alamar Cosmetics Pero Primero Primer. It's a long wear sticky pigment base. And this says that it's a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow into place and maximize color and pearl dimension. It's water and wear resistant, enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning, moisturizing. Its moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue. Mix with your favorite concealer to customize the primer shade. And this retail value is $15. So I have been trying this out, and I will have to let you guys know my final thoughts on it when I try it out a few more times. So my total retail value for this month was $152, which I thought was really amazing. I was really impressed. Even if I say I didn't like anything but the palette, this palette right here is retail for $48, and I only paid like $27, $28 for my Boxycharm, and you get 4 to 5 full-size items. So the fact that I got 5 full-size items, and I am like pretty excited to try all of them, makes me super happy about this month, and I am so excited and cannot wait to see what they come up with for December. But This right here alone is like blowing my mind, and so far I am in love with this Jouer lip enhancer. So I am so excited to try these out and let you guys know how it goes. This I'm still trying out, and so far I've been impressed with the stickiness of it for sure. And then I have not tried this yet either. So definitely stay tuned and let me know what you guys want to see. If you would like to see me do, like I said, if you want to see me do a look with one of these colors, let me know which color I should do a look with first. And yeah, so I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. I hope you give me a thumbs up if you like this video, a thumbs down if you didn't like this video. You can comment down below and let me know what your favorite thing that I got was, or what you got in your Boxycharm, or just say hi. I love to hear from you guys, and let me know if you guys would love to see a giveaway on here, or if you watch my Instagram as stay active on my Instagram as well, if you would just want to see me do one there, or you know what you guys want to see. I'm hoping to do a giveaway soon. I'm trying to do like a revamp and get back to my channel, so let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see and all that different kinds of stuff. So hopefully you guys, like I said, have a beautiful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.